My dear researchers, we are ready now to talk about the Greek philosophy, the Roman administration, and remember now those were the days of agriculture economy. So we are talking about civic administration and public administration and the agriculture economics. How the civil and the military organizations were being run using the Greek philosophy under the Roman administration. Roman Empire, अब हम बात कर रहे हैं तकरीबन 100 BC की. From 100 BC to 500 AD, यानी तकरीबन 600 साल का अरसा ये बनता है कि जो रोमन एम्पायर थी. From 100 BC to 500 AD, Roman Empire was one of the most economically and militarily powerful entity of the world at that time. As far as the economics was concerned, Egyptian corn और उस जमाने के अंदर अलेक्जेंड्रिया और ये कायरो, ये सारे, they were under the Roman Empire. The corn which was growing in the Egyptian fields and the olives, जैतून, जो स्पेन के बागात में उग रहे थे. Spain is even known today for their best olives. और खास तौर पर साउथ स्पेन जो है, जिसको उंदलुसिया कहते हैं, आज भी उसका नाम उंदलुस है, उंदलुसिया. It is known for the best olives of the world. So Egyptian corn and the Spanish olives were traded by the military empire, by the Roman Empire. Of course, they were the production and the produce, and this was the internal as well as the external trade, used for the external trade. Roman trading went across Asia. It went into China. It went up to all the way to India. So that's why I'm saying it was so influenced. Roman Republic and Roman Empire, they inherited much of their philosophy from the Greek philosophy. Roman management of trade and administration. यानी trade हो गई business के perspective में, administration हो गई cities के perspective में. तो civic administration, commercial administration, जिसको आज आप business administration कहेंगे, उनकी जो strategies हैं, they were developed by the Roman to capture the land and to capture the slaves. कैसे मुल्कों को फतह किया जाए और कैसे फिर उन मुल्कों के अंदर लोगों को गुलाम बनाया जाए. That was the rule of the game of those days. And of course, when you're talking about capturing the land and governing the slaves, here comes the concepts of the management and leadership and strategic management. And to deal with society, at the city level, civil administration was developed by the Roman Empire, and to capture the land, military uniform administration was developed. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि civic administration or military administration, they were the most highly developed in the Roman Empire. Management of the commercial enterprise, that model as such was missing from the Roman model. क्यों? कि factors of production के अंदर agriculture produce तो शामिल थी. It was being traded across Asia, China and you name it. Europe तो उस वक्त dark ages में था. It was all going towards the other parts of the world. लेकिन as far as the cities were concerned and as far as the army was concerned, so uniform administration and the civic administration, I think Roman का जो मॉडल है आज भी आपको वेस्टर्न ट्रेडिशन में पूरे वेस्ट में इंप्लीमेंट होता हुआ नजर आएगा. उसी की बेस पर फिर वेस्टर्न थ्योरीज हैं. We'll talk about that later. They were preoccupied with civil and military administration because that was the day and the need of the day. And of course, they treated the commercial activities. आप बिजनेस के स्टूडेंट हैं, मैनेजमेंट के स्टूडेंट हैं. कमर्शियल एक्टिविटीज को उन्होंने गवर्नमेंट के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में डील किया कि हाउ द कमर्शियल एक्टिविटीज शुड बी कैरिड आउट टू सपोर्ट द गवर्नमेंट एक्टिविटीज, टू सपोर्ट द गवर्नमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर, एंड हाउ द गवर्नेंस ऑफ द सिटी should be helped and supported by those commercial activities. लेकिन मेन फोकस रोमन एम्पायर का सिविल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, यूनिफॉर्म एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, मिलिट्री ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, उनकी स्ट्रैटेजीज, उनकी लीडरशिप, उनके रोल्स, उनकी प्लानिंग, उनके रिसोर्सेस, उनके बारे में कैलकुलेशन, इंटेलिजेंस, ये सारी वो चीजें हैं जो रोमन एम्पायर के अंदर आपको 500-600 साल तक नजर आएंगी.